Ever get stuck in a loop like, what if I fail? Or, is there something wrong with me? This is a negative thought loop. It's worrying, tiring, and tough to break free from. These thoughts feel real, but they don't need to control you. You are not your thoughts. You are the one who notices them. Today, I'll show you how to break this cycle and get back in control. Let's go from feeling overwhelmed to being in the driver's seat of your own mind. Ready? Let's get started. The first step is awareness. Most of us let negative thoughts run on autopilot like a bad radio station playing in the background. Your job? Notice that thought. Stop. Don't judge it, just observe it. Say, I'm having the thought that I might fail. This small change creates space. You aren't a failure, you're just having a thought about failing. This is called cognitive diffusion, separating yourself from your thoughts. Practice being the observer. Catch the thought, name it, and let it go. You're not trying to get rid of it, just changing your relationship with it. This is the foundation for everything else. What thought are you having right now? Name it. You're already taking your power back. Now let's question that thought. Is it 100% true? Your anxious mind loves to imagine the worst-case scenarios, but can you really predict the future? Look for proof for and against that thought. Are you assuming you know what others are thinking? Are you trying to tell the future? Challenge the thought with questions that test reality. This makes its grip weaker. Like turning on a light to see that the monster is just a pile of clothes. You're not lying to yourself, you're fixing a mental mistake. When fear meets logic, its power fades. Let's get specific. Label the thinking error. Catastrophizing, black and white thinking, overgeneralizing. When you see a distortion, give it a name. This is catastrophizing. Labeling the pattern takes away its power. Life isn't all or nothing, and most fears are just glitches in your mental software. You don't need to remember every distortion. Just start noticing one or two. The more you label, the less convincing these thoughts will seem. You are not your thoughts. You are the analyst. Now let's reframe. Don't fake positivity. Choose a balanced, kind thought. Instead of, I'm going to fail this presentation, try saying, I'm nervous, but I've prepared and I can do my best. Instead of, I'll never get fit, try saying, I'm discouraged, but I can start with a short walk today. Reframing is about honesty and growth, not about being perfect. See the bigger picture. Don't let your mind zoom in on a crack and miss the whole wall. Write down your negative thought, then write a more balanced reframe next to it. You're literally rewriting your story. Practice this every time a negative thought pops up. Small changes really add up. When your mind is racing, you can't always think your way out of it. Ground yourself in the present. Try the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Name 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you taste. Or slow your breathing. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. Feel your feet on the ground, hold something cold, or focus on any physical sensation. These techniques pull you out of anxious loops and into the now. Anxiety lives in the future. Grounding brings you back to where you have power. Once you're calm, you can use the other tools. Practice grounding whenever you feel overwhelmed. It's a reset button for your brain. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Working on yourself inside is super important, but taking action breaks the cycle. Anxiety grows when you don't do anything, so do something small. Feeling swamped by a project? Just write 1 sentence. Stuck in your head? Go for a short walk. Moving your body changes how you feel and helps lower stress. Write down your thoughts, drink some water, or call a friend and talk. The key is to do something you can handle. Action builds momentum and proves you're not helpless. Every small step counts. You're building confidence, 1 action at a time. Having negative thoughts doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. What matters is how you react. Now you have the tools. Notice, question, reframe, ground, and act. These are skills. Progress comes with practice. Don't let fear write your story. You are the author. Share this with someone who needs it, and remember, you're not alone. You can do this. Here's a quick recap of your toolkit to handle tough thoughts. Pay attention to your gut feeling. Become aware. Catch the thought as soon as it comes. Question the thought. Give it a reality check. Label the distortion. Identify the thinking trap. Reframe the thought. Find another helpful perspective. Ground yourself in the present. Focus on what's real right now. Take a small action. Break the cycle. Remember, you are not your thoughts. Whenever life feels overwhelming, practice these steps. Slowly, you'll get better at handling any thought that comes into your mind.